Say morning, everyone.
Morning. Hi.
Hi. Say please subscribe.
Please like.
Yay. Good morning, everyone. Just woke up. I'm just about to make us a coffee. Coffee done, now time for some exercise. Almost there. Finished my exercise, now time to make some breakfast. Let's see how I go. Layla normally does this. So it looks almost as good as lettuce. Add a bit of pepper. Don't tell Layla that, but that was actually pretty good. For a long time I thought I was good at making eggs until I tried Layla's. Oh, so good. So yeah, I think she's still winning a bit, but mine are getting better.
Medyo dumidilim na siya, guys. I don't know what's happening, if it's gonna rain or not. Here you go, the sun. Naghahanap kami ng ahas, guys, kasi wala kaming makain. At nanghuli kami ng isda para may dinner kami tonight. Is it right, Mahals?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Maybe a bullfrog. So, ganito talaga ang reality, guys, sa Australia. Mga bulubunduki. Mayaman sila sa lupa eh. Ayan. You want to see? Food? Food? Are you cool? Oh, look at the water. Oh, yeah. We went all the way down there. Super lalim niya, guys. As in. Lalim niya, guys. Super lamig dito, as in. Look how deep is that one. Wow! Super deep. Yeah, and cold. Super cold. Super lalim niya, guys. As in, super lalim niya. Gusto sana namin bumaba kaso mahirap umakyat kasi kasama namin si Liana. So ayun sila. I think we'll go in there before. 1, 2, 3. So tapos na kami sa waterfalls, guys. Nag-freak out si Liana. Sobrang ano siya, nababaliw. So we're going now to Kmart to shopping. I'll see you later. Yung tenga ko talaga nagbabara siya. Kasi ano siya, yung mataas siya na bundok. Tignan niyo. Ayun siya, yung kabundukan ng Tralala. Laging nagbablock yung tenga ko pag ano. Diyan na yung pag dyan dumadating na yung sasakyan.
We're in Kmart now, again.
So ayun na sila, guys. Nakikipagsosyalan na naman yun silang dalawa. At ang aking mascara ay kumakalat na sa aking mga mata. So nandito kami sa Kmart because we love Kmart.
Oh, our old carpet.
I don't like that carpet.
Then why did you buy?
Honey, I need underwear.
Do you want me to pick it for you?
Because last night I lost my underwear. Charot. So may nakita silang Pilipina, guys. Kinausap-kausap na naman nila. Sa shell climber yung dalawang yan. Yung dalawang yan. Oh! This is the one. You gonna buy this one?
Seashell.
You gonna buy this one?
What's this?
And then this one.
Can we go to the alt shop? Alt shop?
Oh my god.
Please, because I really want to get something from there.
We go down to the Oak shop.
Oh,
I need these 2 pieces, maybe 3.
can
I
I
need
take
that
one
one.
in my bin in the toilet?
What?
Glossy spray varnish. Wonder how that would look on the bowl.
Yeah.
What's this?
So I need to refilling my LBC box. So I'm gonna send that on Monday. And we find something that we like. Ang cute naman ito. Ang cute nito.
You should get a little diary.
A diary? I'm not a kid. Yeah?
One of the pencils and said, "Colour."
Let's go back in this area, guys. So, ayan sila. Galing kami sa waterfalls. Tapos, pumunta kami dito. So, anong oras na? 4:38 na. Good luck sa dinner. Kailangan ko pang magluto nito. Bibilihan niya daw ako niyan. And then,
What am I, size 6?
size 8 to 10. So mahirap pag nandito ka, guys, hindi mo alam kung anong kukuhain mo. Wala yung mga gusto kong bilihin. So bumili ako ng rice cooker kay mother.
Can we get those? I know.
Oh, look at these. $5. But it's too big for mom. So, nahanap ko talaga, guys, yung ano, yung mga naka-mark down na siya. Ito, $10. Say so. Maganda siya.
It's like something.
wala yung gusto kong bilihin. Kanina ko pinapasunod-sunod ko sila din. Pagod na yan. Naghahanting ako ng tig $2. So may nakita ako. $2. For 6. $2.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed our video. We had fun at the waterfall and Layla had fun at Kmart. So subscribe and stay tuned for our next video as Layla unboxing everything and then reboxing it to send to the Philippines. Good night.